Hey there, Marcus here. In this quick video, I'm going to share with you how you can fix your Razer Barracuda X if it's not pairing and how you can reset it. So I read this comment that can be really beneficial to you. So this is for everyone. After an hour of chatting with customer support, I found the problem. Simply hold the power button and the mute button down at the same time and it will reset and start to blink blue fast. Then try it then. Worked for me on PS4. So try to do it when you're going to turn on headphones and when you're going to turn it off. And what you want to do is you just want to locate where you're gonna have the power button and with the mute button, and you just want to press these two together and hold it until it's going to start blinking fast. So let me know in comments. I just want to make this quick video for you to actually solve this issue if you have issue with Razer Barracuda X, and that's pretty much it. So yeah, let me know in comments if it's going to help. I really like making these videos very quick and effective for you to solve the issue that you have regards the product. And goodbye.